Later this month, at the Galaxy Unpacked event, Samsung will formally introduce the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5. Samsung has verified this. According to reports, the new high-end foldable gadgets will have new camera and display technologies and address some of the most often raised problems with them in the past. Here is all the information we currently know about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Here is a full overview of everything we anticipate the new premium flagship will have, as well as the pricing, availability, specs, display, camera, and battery information we currently know. We gathered all of the leaks and rumors into one location for your convenience. According to reports, the Galaxy Fold 5 will resemble the Galaxy Z Fold 4 virtually exactly in terms of appearance and dimensions. There are also rumors that Samsung may adopt a hinge with a water drop form, which would allow the device to fold entirely shut and eliminate the requirement for a gap in the center. The Fold 5 is expected to include the same displays and camera island on the back with 3 sensors in addition to the improved hinge mechanism. The dual speaker system will almost probably return on the 2023 flagship, and the device will maintain the fingerprint sensor power button and volume rocker on the right side. Unfortunately, the Fold 5 won't have a separate S Pen slot, thus a Samsung first-party case such to this one will probably be included with the flagship with the styles. The new flagship will continue to be water-resistant and maintain its IPX8 certification. According to rumors, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 would have a 7.6-inch main screen and a 6.2-inch cover display on both the inside and the outside, indicating that Samsung will maintain the aspect ratio without widening the device. While the size may stay the same this year, Samsung is rumored to use a new water drop-shaped hinge mechanism that could make the craze list noticeable. The news may be disappointing for those who were hoping for a wider and shorter display on the 2023 flagship. There is some good news. The redesigned hinge may help make the device slimmer and eventually gapless, however it wouldn't make the crease go away or become less apparent. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.